What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, please do me a favor, smash on that subscribe button, click on the little bell so you'll be notified when I put up any new content. Now, if you happen to catch my last video, you saw me outside early morning having my coffee, thinking about the DIYs or modifications that I'm going to be doing. Yesterday's case would have been some air scoops that I just got from Mashimarho, and I was going to put them on the BMW 335i behind me. However, I got a text message from my boy Ken at BMW Invasion, and he told me that they're putting out some new t-shirts, and Miguel was going to go up to $13.50 apparel to pick them up, and maybe I wanted to hook up with him and get a first look. Well, the moment he said t-shirt, yeah, I was done. So when I got back yesterday, I wanted to do the air scoops, but number one, the vehicle was hot, so I'm not going to work on a hot car. And number two, I was so excited about, getting some footage for these new t-shirts that they're putting out. I wanted to get inside and I wanted to put a video together and post it. So I did that, and I'll leave a link in the description above. What I want to do is get these air intake scoops put into the vehicle, right? Now, I know that there's two schools of thought here. Number one, some people say, yeah, you gain some horsepower, you gain some performance. And other guys say, no, you don't get anything but aesthetics. In my case, I'm looking for the aesthetics aspect of it simply because I've got this blue theme going on in my engine bay, and I'll show you what it looks like. And I think that these air scoops will complement that. So if I get performance out of it, great. If not, no problem. As I said, I'm looking for the looks. So let's get inside. Let's install these air scoops. From what I understand, it's a simple process. Pop the hood, take out the old grills, get behind in there, and they connect very, very easily. Let's do that. Okay, here we are in the garage. I apologize for any background noise that you hear. That's the air conditioner running. In South Florida, it runs all day long, and I got to keep that house cool. The garage has no AC. However, the car is cool. I'm going to do this as quickly as possible, run inside and get a cold drink. So these are the scoops that I got from mashimarho in the blue. And as I said, the reason for the blue is because I've got the blue theme going on in the engine bay, and I'd like to keep with that. With the exception of my cold air intake filters that are red, that's the only thing that I'm having difficulty finding in blue. The reason is the ones that are out there, all the other ones that I have found, the connector to the tubing is larger. It's either a 3 or a 3.5 inch diameter. I believe I have a 2.5 inch. So I got this from ECS Tuning. This is a cold air intake. I did a video on this, and I'll leave that up above. You'll see the link. But if anybody has any ideas of where I may locate a pair that would fit, or some kind of a DIY where I could get them to be blue, please leave that in the comments. I'd really like to tackle that one. That's the only thing from my engine bay that I really wish was blue. So let's get to this install. And from my understanding, it's not that difficult. A couple of fasteners here on the scoop, so I can remove that. These 4 Torx, you want to remove that so I can pull the bumper forward and remove the grills. Now these grills, I just got them, they're new. I don't want to take any chance of messing them up and cracking any of the tabs. So I'm going to do it nice and slow, try to get in from behind there. And all I need is a couple of trim tools and a T20 Torx, hopefully, and it should remove anything. I think this is a different size Torx, but I've got that, and remove everything as quickly as possible and run back inside and get a cold drink. All right, so as I said, I took it nice and slow to get to these tabs from behind. I didn't want to crack anything and break any of them off since they're brand new. And they attach right inside. If I can get in there and show you to these sections right there where you have the tabs, slots. So it turns out I didn't have to remove the scoop portion of it. I just had to loosen the fasteners. And when you install the scoop, let's say for this side here, I've got 2 holes on the scoop. This hole here, what goes through there will be the fastener that I removed and the pin. This fastener here will come in from the top and it'll go through here as well. It'll grab, and then once I push the pin in to the fastener, it's hard doing this. Once I push that pin into the fastener, it'll spread it out and it'll hold it in place. That's on this side here. Now the one on the front right side for this particular scoop, that will be attached by the Torx that I removed that loosens the bumper so I can get in behind it. So that's how it works. Let's check it out. So there it is, nice and secure on that side. Let's see if I can get the camera to show you. It's nice and secure, as I said. The one on the front, once you put that Torx back in, it automatically kind of taps into the top of the scoop. And when you push in this fastener here, once you push that in and then put the pin through that fastener, it automatically grabs onto the other side of the scoop, and it's nice and secure, not going anywhere. And I can already tell I'm going to like it because it's got that blue color theme going there. All right, let's get the other one done. All right, and there you see them both installed. I'm going to put the grills back on and finish up the job. Okay, well, there you have it. The install is complete. It's not that noticeable because of the dark blue color, the royal blue. Not as prevalent as a red or a yellow or a white. But as I said, I wanted to keep in theme with the blue that I've got going on in the engine bay. So I'm very happy with it. Whether I gain any performance out of it, well, we'll wait and see. As always, thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel. Make sure you hit that bell so you'll be notified of any new content, and come back soon.